Prior to '98, I was working at a gazebo shop, and my boss's brother-in-law decided to build lighthouses. So I said, I'm not going to copy, but I see an opportunity.
Lighthouses are the main product of Beaver Dam Woodworking.
Anywhere from 2 feet tall to 30 feet tall.
Manufacturing these lighthouses requires the use of power tools. Amish manufacturing facilities are off the grid, and in cases where electric or hydraulic power is needed, they produce their own.
Why would somebody want a Beaver Dam product? It's not server or competition. We just try to stay there with the best product anybody could want.
Beaver Dam's products are sold online and through dealers like Country Living Primitives.